Have you ever wondered how these amazing projects are built? How do the parties involved agree on the terms and conditions of the project? How do they manage the risks and challenges that may arise during the project? Well, one of the most widely used tools in international construction and engineering industry is the FIDIC contracts. FIDIC stands for International Federation of Consulting Engineers, a federation that produces standard forms of contract for different types of the projects and parties. FIDIC contracts have different colors such as red, yellow, silver, golden, green to indicate their suitability for different scenarios. Let's take a quick look at each of them. The red book is the building and engineering works designed by employer. This means that the employer provides the design and specifications of the project and the contractor executes the work according to the employer's instructions. The red book is suitable for projects where design is well defined and the risks are relatively low. The yellow book is for the plant and design build works designed by the contractor. This means the contractor is responsible for both the design and construction of the project. The employer only provides the requirements and criteria. The yellow book is suitable for projects where the design is complex or innovative and the risks are shared between the parties. The silver book is for EPC or turnkey projects. EPC stands for engineering, procurement and construction. This means that the contractor is responsible for all aspects of the project from design to commissioning and employer only pays a fixed price upon completion. The silver book is suitable for projects where contractor has full control and expertise. The risks are mainly borne by the contractor. The golden book is for design, build and operate projects. This means the contractor is responsible for not only the design and construction but also the operation and maintenance of the project for a certain period of time. The gold book is suitable for projects where contractor has long-term involvement and interest and the risks are balanced between the parties. The green book is for small, simple and repetitive works. $500,000. This means that the project is relatively straightforward and does not require significant contract administration and management resources. The green book is suitable for projects where the perceived level of risk is low and the parties need a contract form that is simple to use and understand. FIDIC contracts have common features such as dispute resolution, language of contract, and arbitration rules. They are widely used in international construction projects, especially where the parties are from different countries. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content like this. See you next time.